Hi everyone, it's Deborah at Heat Transfer Source, and I'm so excited because I get to do something today that I've never done, and that is give away a heat press. I can't wait to unbox this and show you what this is. I haven't even seen it yet, but I went ahead and opened it because I don't trust myself with sharp instruments on a video. Anyway, the reason we're giving away a heat press is because we want to build our YouTube channel. We have over 135 tutorials on crafting and using heat transfer vinyl on various kinds of substrates. Some of the videos also include adhesive vinyl and used on glass or wood. Anyway, we want to build our channel, and so to do that, I talked to the owner, who happens to be my son-in-law, and he said I could give away a heat press, so I'm really excited. So let's unbox this and we'll go from there. This is an ePhotonic heat press. Here's the user's guide. I know it's a 9 by 12. Has a power cord. And, oh, it's so cute. I put this up here myself. I think I'm gonna put it on this chair. That way I'll have better leverage. So it's heavy, but it's not too heavy that I can't lift it. I hope. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's see what we have here. All right, so here's the heat press. Like I said, it's a 9 by 12. This, oh yeah, this comes with a, I think this is a Teflon paper. Yeah, it's a little Teflon paper that you can use along with it. So instructions, Teflon sheet, power cord. Let's see here. I don't know if you can see this. It is a swing away with a bottom plantain, and it has temperature range of up to 500 degrees, which is awesome, and it has a timer on it. So it's a perfect size. Actually, you could even use this as a portable heat press. I'm sure the pressure needs to be adjusted. The pressure is back here. So, oh yeah, that's much better. Oh my gosh, this is a great size. Okay, all you have to do to qualify to win this little heat press is to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like, share, and comment on one of the current videos that's already on our channel. Also, if you're a current subscriber, and thanks very much for subscribing, by the way, we still want you to qualify, of course, as a thank you for subscribing, and you'll still need to comment, like, and share on another one of our videos that's already on the channel. Also, Chris said that if we reach 5,000 subscribers, and that's only about another 1,500 additional, we can give away another heat press. So get busy. Start subscribing and liking, comment, and sharing one or more of our current videos. Thanks so much, guys. Bye. For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.